Assalamoalaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will learn first lesson of Noorani Qaida, and before starting you must know what is Noorani Qaida. Noorani Qaida means basic book for beginners. Learn Quranic Arabic. So I will teach you in a very easy way. Now we will start our today's lesson. Alif pronounced with empty space of mouth, and Alif pronounced letter Alif from the farthest part of the throat. Empty space of mouth is the origin of Alif, and besides in English you can take help with this English. So don't use English all the time, because Arabic, there is no English in Arabic. So you should recognize these letters. So we will start with Alif. Before we start, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my video updates. Like and share for Sadqa Jariyah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We will start from Alif to Ya. We will start Alif, and you can take help with the letter of English. Alif, A-L-I-F, Alif. Ba, B-double-A, ba. Pa, P-double-A, pa. Ta, T-double-A, ta. Sa, S-double-A, sa. Jeem, G-double-E-M, jeem. Ha, try to pronounce this letter from your throat. Ha, kha, kha. Dal, dal. Zal, zal. Ra, ra. Za, za. Sin, sin. Sheen, sheen. Sod, sod. Dod, dod. Ta, ta, T-O-A, ta. Za, Z-O-A, za. Ain, ain. Ghain. Ghain sound comes out from your throat. Fa, fa. Qaf. Qaf is a heavy word. Qaf, qaf. Kaf. Kaf is a light word. Kaf, qaf, kaf. Lam, lam. Mim, mim. Noon, noon. Vaw, vaw. Ha, ha. Hamza, hamza. Ya, ya. Ya, ya. Again we will learn, and learn after me. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jeem, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, Seen, Sheen, Sod, Dod, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Vaw, Ha, Hamza, Ya, Ya. Now I will tell you how to pronounce these words. I will write the words in English. Now you will better understand these words, that how to pronounce it. Now I will write Alif,